hope you all have a great year ahead and hope we all come out of this pandemic. So let's come back to today's video. So today's video is going to be Sakleshpura special. We are going to visit Sakleshpura, and in that we are going to visit Sakleshpura temple and Manjarabad Fort. So I'm excited for it, and at this year, so my first destination only is going to be temple, and I give thanks to my parents, and after that we are going to visit Manjarabad Fort, and it is only the star type of fort in whole India. So I'm excited to see that. So let's get started.
So we are starting our journey from Hassan. Sakleshpur is around 70 km. So we are taking the route of Hassan to reach Sakleshpur. The road conditions are good from Hassan to Hassan. From Hassan to Sakleshpur, the road conditions are not good. You should be very cautious while riding as roads are under renovation.
So guys, we reached our destination is Sakleshpura temple, and Sakleshpura temple is the start of Sakleshpur. Of this temple there is Hemavathi river. So guys, this is the Hemavathi river, and this river is coming from the western ghats, and this bridges the entrance of the Sakleshpur, and it goes to Goru Dam. So guys, this is the Sakleshpura temple. The temple is so beautiful, and the temple is also closed due to COVID. So, but still you can pray through this window. I suggest you this temple. This temple is really so beautiful. You can come here and you can offer your prayer to this God. Completed our first destination. I'm going to our second destination, which is Manjarabad Fort, and I'm so excited for it. We have reached our second destination, Manjarabad Fort. This is the entrance, and it goes on like this. Guys, I'm entering the fort, and I'm feeling so excited to go to the fort. The fort is in Western Ghats, so we should climb this. It doesn't have steps, it's just like a ramp. It is much easier to climb. There's no specs. From here on, there is steps. I'm so tired of climbing these. It's kind of like a trekking also. You get some exercise from this. As finally we reached the fort, and it was so tiring climbing those steps, and the fort from the entrance look beautiful. The Manjarabad Fort is very beautiful, and from it is 10 km from Sakleshpur Town. It only takes like 10 to 15 minutes to reach here. The thing about this fort is it is like a star shape, and this is only the one fort in India which has star type fort, and I'm proud about it. It is in Karnataka. Not allow DSLR and drone to take video or shoot photo. Only you can take video through your mobile. I've been read that there is a passage, there's an underground passage to go to Srirangpatna. I hope I see it, but no one knows where it is. Starting point of Western Ghats from Manjarabad Fort. Guys, this place is so amazing. I'm just sitting at this point. Guys, here it's time to end the vlog, and hope you like this vlog. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope you will also visit this place. I suggest you this Manjarabad Fort. Again, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye guys.